अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि ताला वबरकातुहू। Students, in my last lecture we have seen exercise number 5.3. Today we are going to continue exercise 5.4. See very well everyone on page number 125. Here what we have given in the question: if two coins are tossed, find the probability of the following events. See question number 1 of exercise 5.4. Here we have to write the first sample space. Two coins are tossed. You will get, if you at once you will toss there, you will get the coin down and you will face there in both the coin having the head. Next time you will tossed, you will see there 2 times tail. Okay, and then different samples you will find there. See very well, one head, other tail. Next you will get there one's coin, means first coin having the tail, and other coin you will have the head. Like this sample space you will get there. Now we'll write the number of sample space. How many turns are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have the 4 chances. So number of sample space will be there 4. Okay. Now question. See, 2 questions are there. Number 1, getting at least one head. One head means only one head we have to at least. You will see, means at least means minimum one head should be there. See here, one head is here, one head is here, and one head is here. So these are the chances of sample space for the sample set A. We'll write here head, at least one head, and head, tail. Next you will add the tail, head. Now this is the completed. We'll write here number of set A. How much? 1, 2, 3. Now continue it. This on solution will have to find the probability also. The formula for the probability is there. Probability of A is equal to N of A upon N of sample space. Now keep the value. Probability of A is equal to N of A, we have 3, and the total sample space we have the 4. 3 upon 4 is the answer of first one. Okay. Now second one, getting no head. No head means there should not be a single head. Here we have the head, here we have the head, here we have the head. These samples will not count in the next set B. So there is only one sample or outcomes, which one is the tail. It is not having the any head, a single head. So this is the chances for the set B. So we'll write here tail. Only one element are here. So we'll write N of B is equal to 1. Next you will have to find the probability of B is equal to, the formula is N of B upon sample space. N of sample space. Now keep the value here. So we'll get probability of B is equal to N of B is we have 1. And number of sample space we have the 4. Is the second answer completed. Got it everyone? Probability of B is equal to 1 upon 4, and probability of A is equal to 3 upon 4. First and second both completed here. Now continue. We are writing the question number 2. Question number 2 is there. What? See very well. If two dice are rolled simultaneously, two dice simultaneously rolled, given, find the probability of the following ends. Is the one of the most important questions. See, you have seen 2 dice samples. Once again we have to write here sample of the 2 dice. See very well, there is a 6 samples. See very well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And next, first die A, first second die is B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How to write the samples? Like this. See, 1 1 in what first outcomes, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6. Like this you have to write there. In first die of A means 1, and second die you will take the second die of B, you will take the all numbers 1 to 6, 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6. Like this you have to write here. See very well, 1 1 is the first outcomes, and the second 1 2, next 1 3, next 1 4, next 1 5, next 1 6. Now continue it there. 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6. Like this you have to take their next turn. Means 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6. Next for the 3, 3 1, 3 2. Like this continue. 3 1, 3 2, 3 3, 3 4, 3 5, 3 6. Now turn for 4, 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 4 4, 4 5, 4 6, 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5. Last 5 6. The last turn for the 6, 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5, 6 6. Now here we have completed out the sample space. See very well, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 6 are 36. There are enough sample space, means enough number of sentences total is there. We have the 36. Now question. See very well the question what we have given. Now see, the sum of the digits on the upper faces is at least 10. Sum of the two digits. If you are adding 1 plus 1, okay, you will get 2, 1 plus 2, you will get 3, 1 plus 3, you will get the 4. Like this, sum of the two digits addition must be at least 10. How much? At least 10 should be there. So see very well that this in this series we have the, this is the highest number, 1 6, you will get 7. We are not getting the 10. Here see in this series 2 6, 2 plus 6 you will get the 8. Here not also getting the 10. See here 3 plus 6 not getting the 10, 9 we are getting. Here see very well, 4 and 6, 4 plus 6 will get the 10. This is the first outcomes of the first question, set A. We got here 4 comma 6 is the first outcomes. Now secondly you will have here 5 5 and 5 6. More than 10 will be, okay, they are accepted. Here at least 10 means minimum 10 should be there, more than 10 will be accepted. See very well, 5 5 5 and 5 6. Next 6 4, 6 5. Next the last 6 6. These outcomes we got here 1 2 3 4 5 6. N of A we got 6. Therefore probability of A, N of A found N of S. Now continue it here. The probability of A is equal to, we have the number of A 6 and the total sample space we have the 36. Now divide 1. 6 1 the 6, 6 6 the 36. Therefore we got the probability of A is equal to 1 by 6. It's your answer of first question. Now second question, what you have, see very well everyone. The second question we are given the sum of the digits on the upper faces is 33. The sum of the digits on the upper faces is 33. The see very well 1 plus 1 we are getting 2. Here we have asked the question, it should be 33. See here these numbers, we are the highest number in the first row. What we have 1 plus 6 we will get 7. We are not getting 33. Here 2 plus 6 we are not 8. We are not getting 33. Like this in the last number which is the highest outcomes. 6 plus 6 we are getting 12. We are not getting 33. It means in this set no element will be here in set B. According to the question, in set B we are not getting elements. We are not getting 33 in some of the upper faces of the digits. Is the highest number, we are getting only 12. We are not getting the 33. So in this set no element will be here. Means this set B, according to the question number 2, will be empty set. So we'll write n of B is equal to 0. Now see very well, the probability of B is equal to n of B upon n of sample space. Keep the n of B 0 and n of sample space, that is 6. 36 is, it will divide the 0, you will get the 0. It's your second answer. Students, are you getting it? See very well. Now third one, what we have asked, see the digit on the first die, is greater than the digit on the second die. See here 1 1 same dies digits are here 1 2. See here very well 1 is less than 2. 2 is the greater. According to the question, what we have to take, the number which is the first die should be greater than the second die. Here we have less than 2. See in this all series we are not getting the first die 1 1 1 1 1 is greater than second die. Here 1 2 3 4 5 these all are the greater. Here we have the equal. Now see very well here for the set C, here 2 is greater and 1 is smaller. We can take this chance or outcomes 2 comma 1. Now here continue 2 2 same, 2 3, 2 is less than 3. So we will not take these all outcomes. See we here, see next line see 3 comma 1. Third, in this outcome 3 is greater, first die is greater, second die is smaller. See 3 2, we can take this one 3 2 also. Now continue here 4 1, next 4 2, next 4 3, next see 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, next 6 1, 6 2, see 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, next 6 4, the last 6 5. Now close. See in these all samples the first die is greater than the second die. 2 1, 3 1, 3 2. Okay, getting all of you? See very well. Now count it. N of C. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. We got the n of C 15. Now continue. Probability of C is equal to n of C divided by n of S. See very well, n of C is 15 and sample space 36. We can divide by 3. 3 5s are 15. Okay, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Therefore, you will get here the probability of C is equal to 5 upon 12 is your second question. Third one, last question's answer. Third one. Okay. Now you got it, everyone. This question number 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1 and 2. See very well this all question, everyone at home. Now in my next lecture you will see the question number 3, 4 and 5 inshallah. Thank you. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum.